welcome back to my channel. Destination of the day, Bahamas, baby. We're in the Bahamas. I made it to the Bahamas, period. So destination of the day, Bahamas. It's my first time in the Bahamas, so we are gonna explore the city together, this island together. Today we're on the island. Today ain't no LA, Miami, whatever. Today is Bahamas, period. It was meant to be a 7-day trip. The Bahamas is a holiday trip. You're going there for free. Matter of fact, you're getting paid to go there. You're getting paid to go to the Bahamas. Tell me why my trip is a 4-day trip. First of all, how did we go from 7-day to 4-day, first of all? And on top of that, in the middle of my trip, I'm supposed to go to Grand Cayman. I think the flight is like 1 hour. So we're just going to drop off some passengers in Grand Cayman and then take some new passengers and then come back to the Bahamas.
Bruh.
Please make it make sense. I don't understand the duty they gave me. But anyway, we're in the Bahamas, so we're going to make the most. And then Bahamas, they don't play with masks. Let me tell you, they don't play with masks. You know, yesterday, the man at the reception was like, he gave us a speech to be like, oh, welcome to the hotel, da 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 da. Do you know what he said? He said to us, you must wear your mask on the street. If you do not wear your mask on the street and you get caught, he said, if you get caught on the street without a mask, you may be fined on the spot $2,500 to pay or you may be jailed. Then he said to us, your airline will not cover your ass if you go to jail. It was so funny because basically you belong to your airline. If something happened to you down route, your airline will cover you. But the fact that he said your airline will not cover your ass if you go to jail, it was so funny. It was so funny. That was so funny. Honestly, he knows the deal. He was like, you must wear, they don't play with masks. You must wear a mask when you're on the street, literally. So I'm gonna wear my mask the whole trip. But anyway, if you want to see how the Bahamas looks like, keep on watching. Something that you see every day. White sand, blue water, come on. We're going to Grand Cayman today and we're back to Bahamas tonight. So when we get on board, passengers will be on board already. It's just a change of crew. Somebody's watching me. Somebody's looking at me. Basically, yeah, there will be a change of crew. So crew from London are getting off, we're getting on. We're going to Grand Cayman. Boom, passengers are disembarking. New passengers are coming on and then back to Bahamas. Some will be going up in Bahamas. Some passengers will be going up in London, God knows. But yeah, just a quick boom, boom, there and back. But yeah, this is just what's happening today. But let me show you behind. Let me show you what's happening behind me. I feel even hungry. I might eat on board because I'm so hungry right now. I might wait till I get on board. We'll see. We'll see. Welcome to Grand Cayman, guys. It's literally golden hour. It's so nice. Hey guys, back in the hotel, back in the Bahamas. I'm gonna go to McDonald's with the girls because we are starving. We ate on board, but we're still hungry. So we're gonna get some food and it's raining outside, so you know. But we're gonna get some food now. Let's get some food.
Where is it?
Look how it's going to McDonald's at night. She's looking for a dog. Tell the people who you're looking for.
The dog. There's a dog.
No, he's cute though. He's cute, no lie. chicken. It's on good. Stop pointing in your face. We got our food. We got it. It's nice to cook at night. Baby, yeah. Come on, girl. Where are we? Day 3. Back to London tonight. What are we doing today? We're just chilling. We're going to the market. We're meant to go to Rose Island, right? Yeah.
But that's not
because there's not enough for you to go. How much was it? $80?
It was like $80 each. We needed like a minimum of 8.
A crew.
Just
It didn't happen.
no. Not a chance.
No. Can't even have any cocktails or something.
Can't even drink. It's the most disappointing thing.
I know. Let's just go to the market, and it's raining. Not. Might as well go back to London at this point, right? Alright, but the view is cute though. So that's the entry of the market. Not sure where we're queuing up for, but so basically every single place, indoor place that you enter in the Bahamas, you must sanitize your hands. Literally, they will not let you go through until you sanitize one by one. That's why they had it too. That's why we had it too. What do you guys think of this? Oh my god. $10? Come on. I love it. So nice. Say something for them. Hey people. So we're hanging out in the Bahamas and you gotta check out her shorts. Come in! And this is her friend. Oh, she's not I mean, look at the shape. I mean, I'm trying, but I like that shit. You like that? He wants some chocolate. Love it. I think I'll do have to go upstairs. Okay. There's no barriers, there's no nothing. This place is really open like this. I mean, wow. Go. If you fall, go. Don't say it's me. You're playing with your life. You're playing with your life. I am moving no finger for you. You play too much. You play. This guy, if.
Shit!
little debrief before I go back to London. It's already time for me to leave. But what can I say about this 4-day trip? It went so fast. It went so fast. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to do much. I didn't get to see Rose Island. We didn't get on the boat trip. Normally, there's so much things to do in the Bahamas as crew, but with a 4-day trip, we were so limited. But the food is great. It's amazing. It's expensive. I'm not gonna lie. The food is pricey. But hey, it is what it is. Make sure if you come to the Bahamas, make sure that you wear your mask, because trust me that they know who's a resident and they know who's a tourist. So if you don't have your mask, they're going to be on you. Make sure you wear your mask. I probably look like a mess right now, and I'm so sorry. I just would like to apologize if there's any part missing in this video. This video is probably a mess. I don't know. Please bear with me, but it's really hard to enjoy the moment and create content at the same time. Like, it's really hard for me. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video to show some support, so I know that I can make more videos and do better the next time. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I look so tired. I look mashed. I'm gonna take a shower now because I need to wake up. Like, I look like a mess right now. I literally look like a mess. But yeah, we move. Guys, I will see you in my next video. I love you so much. Wherever you're watching this video from, I love you. Take care of yourself and stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.